Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. Today we will discuss about the general method of preparation of haloarenes. How will you prepare haloarenes in your reduced syllabus given three methods one is by direct halogenation and direct halogenation taking place by electrophilic substitution reaction mechanism, okay, and second one is by diazonium salts, and third one is from the terminal reactions, okay. Firstly we will discuss about the by direct halogenation reaction. In this reaction, when benzene is treated with chlorine or bromine in the presence of halogen carrier like FeCl3, FeBr3 or anhydrous AlCl3 in dark to form chlorobenzene or bromobenzene, etc. Okay, now see the reaction here. If benzene is treated with chlorine or bromine, here I am writing X2, okay, X is equal to chlorine or bromine here, okay. Now see the reaction. Halogen carrier here may be FeCl3, AlCl3 or FeBr3, okay. In dark, this reaction should be in dark, okay. That is, if you are taking here chlorine, then the carrier should be FeCl3 or AlCl3. If you are taking here Br2, that means bromine, the carrier should be FeBr3, but condition is dark, okay. Always these reactions will happen in dark condition. So the substitution reactions take place, and substitution reactions give the haloarenes like this, X in the byproduct, HX as a byproduct, okay. You can see here haloarenes. Always, we have already told you that always focus on the skeleton. What is the skeleton given us information? You know, here you can use chlorine. If you will use here chlorine, you can take here carrier as a FeCl3 or AlCl3 like this, FeCl3 or anhydrous AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3. The condition is dark. This reaction should be in dark and benzene like this, okay. Sorry. Chlorine will substitute the hydrogen from the benzene nucleus and give electrophilic substituted product like this and byproduct as HCl, okay, chlorobenzene. In case of bromine, it forms bromobenzene, but in excess of chlorine or bromine, it gives orthodichlorobenzene and paradichlorobenzene, and in case of bromine, when excess of bromine is taken, the product is formed orthodibromobenzene or paradibromobenzene, you can say here, okay. Now in excess of chlorine, when excess of chlorine is taken, the reaction form product in the presence of FeCl3 are taken in dark to form orthodichlorobenzene and paradichlorobenzene, mixture of orthodichlorobenzene and paradichlorobenzene and HCl as a byproduct, okay. The reaction balance by multiply it 2, okay. You can multiply here and you can write here X's, okay. Also in case of bromine, when you take bromine in excess amount, it will form orthodibromo-benzene and paradibrom. In this case, it is the product. The name of product is dichlorobenzene, and this is paradichlorobenzene. Clear? I hope it is clear. Now, second one is iodination. And next is iodination. Iodination. Iodination reaction takes place in the presence of strong oxidizing agent like HiO3 or HNO3 or HgO mercuric oxide. In the presence of these oxidizing agents, the reaction goes to forward direction. Otherwise, a reaction is reversible reactions because byproduct formed in iodination case is hydrogen iodide, and hydrogen iodide is a good reducing agent. Again, reduce the iodobenzene to benzene and iodine. So, in iodination case, the reactions taking place when benzene is treated with, in this case, benzene is treated with iodine in the presence of strong oxidizing agent, and reaction goes to forward directions to form iodobenzene and HI as a byproduct. The hydrogen iodide formed in this reaction at once react with hydrogen iodide to form H2O and I2. Okay. Now balance this reaction by multiplying hydrogen iodide with 5 and add with 3. Okay. And this reaction with this compound with 3. Okay. This is the balance equation. So you can see here. Okay. Now fluoro compounds are not prepared by this method. It is because direct fluorination is violent and is difficult to control. So fluorination is not fluorinations cannot be done by this method. Okay. Now you know direct halogenation. How will you define the direct halogenation? The direct halogenation of benzene in the presence of halogen carrier may be FeCl3, FeBr3 and anhydrous AlCl3 is used to prepare chlorobenzene or bromobenzene. But in next topic we will discuss about the substitutions in the side chain. Okay. Now the reaction is substitution in the side chain. Substitution in the side chain. Okay. In this reaction, when halogenation is done in the presence of sunlight, high temperature, and in the absence of halogen carrier, the hydrogen atom substituted from the side chain of the rings and form alkyl halide. Okay, and form alkyl halide. See here, suppose in this reaction, when let us see that when toluene is treated with chlorine in the presence of sunlight. In the presence of sunlight with the absence of halogen carrier. Okay, the hydrogen atom substituted from side chain carbon. Okay, and you know this is the side chain, and chlorine will substitute hydrogen from here and form this type compound like CH2Cl and as a byproduct as Cl. Once again, when it treated with second molecule of chlorine, in the same condition, the compound is formed CHClCl. Okay. Once again, the third molecule of chlorine react to benzyl chloride. This is benzyl chloride, same condition. In the presence of sunlight, it forms benzochloride from Cl. Okay, this is known as benzyl chloride. benzyl chloride, and this is benzochloride. Okay. Now we will discuss about the second method, very important method, from diazonium salts. And this reaction is known as Sandmeyer reaction. Okay, this reaction is known as Sandmeyer reaction from diazonium salts. Okay, from diazonium salts. You know, diazonium salts is very unstable, and it is prepared by treating aniline with nitrous acid or aniline with sodium nitrite and HCl. Okay, without sodium nitrate and HCl, diazonium salt cannot be prepared. And diazonium salt, what is diazonium salt? It is diazonium salt N2H negative positive. ठीक है, this is known as diazonium salts. X may be halide group, sulfate group, nitrate group, etc. Okay, we will not discuss here. We will take only the diazonium chloride or bromide here. Okay, to prepare bromoalkanes, bromoarenes or chloroarenes. We have already told you that this reaction is known as Sandmeyer reaction. Okay, and this is very important reactions for your examination. Okay, see here. We have told you that in this reaction the aniline is treated with nitrous acid. Okay, aniline is treated with nitrous acid to form diazonium salt, and the diazonium salts treated with cuprous bromide in HBr or cuprous chloride in HCl to form chloroarenes or bromoarenes, that means chlorobenzene or bromobenzene. But we will have to prepare firstly diazonium salts, and here we will prepare diazonium chloride by treating nitrous acid with aniline. Okay, see the reactions. Okay, if aniline is treated with aniline, you know, NH2 group attached to the benzene, this is known as aniline. And when aniline is treated with nitrous acid, HNO2 and HCl here. Okay, HCl, how HCl here? First of all, you should know here, when sodium nitrite treated with HCl to form HNO2, okay, and NaCl as a byproduct. Okay, byproduct, you can say major product. In this case, when HNO2 and its nitrous acid and second molecule of HCl, when treated with aniline to form diazonium chloride like this N2Cl. Okay, you can see here N2Cl. Okay, the positive and chlorine get negative charge. This is the azo group. So this diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, benzene diazonium chloride, and in this case form water molecule. Okay, you can balance it by writing H2O, 2 molecule, 2 oxygen, here 2 molecule. Okay, I hope this reaction is balanced. Right? Clear? Okay. Now see here, when benzene diazonium chloride benzene diazonium chloride, treated with cuprous chloride in HCl to form chlorobenzene, with the elimination of nitrogen gas. And when benzene diazonium chloride is treated with cuprous bromide in HBr to form bromobenzene with the elimination of nitrogen gas. This reaction is known as Sandmeyer reaction. Okay, what is a Sandmeyer reaction? You can say in Sandmeyer reactions, benzene diazonium chloride treated with cuprous chloride in HCl or cuprous bromide in HBr to form chlorobenzene and bromobenzene with the elimination of nitrogen is known as Sandmeyer reaction. Okay, a very important reaction. But in this case, when potassium iodide is treated with benzene diazonium chloride to form iodobenzene with the libration of nitrogen and KCl. See reaction here. Benzene diazonium chloride treated with potassium iodide, okay, aqueous potassium iodide, and if heat to it form iodobenzene. With the elimination of KCl and nitrogen gas. Okay, this reaction is known as Sandmeyer reactions. Very important reactions. Okay, kept in your mind what is Sandmeyer reactions. Always it ask in your question paper what is Sandmeyer reaction. Write short note on Sandmeyer reactions. Okay. Now, second one is fluorination. Aniline is treated with sodium nitrate in the presence of tetrafluoroboric acid HBr4 at 273 Kelvin to form benzene tetrafluoroborate, and after heating it form fluorobenzene. Okay, see here. When benzene diazonium chloride is treated with, or you can say here benzene diazonium chloride is treated with, fluorination. Fluorination. In this reaction, aniline is treated with, aniline is treated with sodium nitrite and HBF4 tetrafluoroboric acid to form benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate which on heating form fluorobenzene. Firstly, aniline is treated with sodium nitrite and HBr4 to form benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate, which on heating form fluorobenzene. Okay, that means see a reaction. Let us see the reaction. First of all, take aniline you know, NH2 presence of sodium nitrite and HbF4. It forms benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate BF4 negative first. After heating it forms fluorobenzene. It forms fluorobenzene like this. Fluorobenzene, BF3 and nitrogen as a byproduct. Okay, fluorobenzene. Clear? Now, and the third reaction, very important, this reaction is known as Ball-Siemens reaction. This reaction is known as Ball-Siemens reaction. Very important reaction. Sometimes it is asked what is Ball-Siemens reaction. In Ball-Siemens reactions, fluorobenzene is formed by treating aniline with sodium nitrite and tetrafluoroboric acid and form benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate. After heating it forms fluorobenzene. Okay. Now second and last method for the preparation of haloarenes is Gattermann reaction. Gattermann reaction. This reaction is the modified reaction of Sandmeyer reaction. In this reaction, benzene diazonium chloride is treated with copper in HCl or copper in HBr to form chlorobenzene or bromobenzene. In these reactions, benzene diazonium chloride treated with copper powder in HCl to form chlorobenzene and benzene diazonium salt chloride here is treated with copper powder with HBr to form bromobenzene. With the elimination of nitrogen gas. This reaction is known as Gattermann reaction. This is the modified reaction. In Sandmeyer reactions, you have seen that in this place copper cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide is taken in the presence of HBr or HCl to form chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. But in Gattermann reaction, benzene diazonium salts treated with copper powder in HCl or copper powder in HBr to form chlorobenzene or bromobenzene. Okay, so we have finished the general method of preparation of haloarenes. In next video we will discuss about the physical properties and chemical properties of haloarenes. Okay, thank you, all the best.